Ever wish your phone grip could keep up with your style without the hassle of buying a new one every time? The PopSocket PopTop replacement lets you do just that. Switch your phone grip's top in seconds to match your vibe or needs. No need to replace the entire PopGrip base, just swap the top and keep rolling. I was skeptical at first, but swapping out my PopTop is so simple it quickly became part of my routine. Just press the top flat, twist 90 degrees until it clicks, and snap on a new one. Whether I want a sleek look for work or something fun for the weekend, I can change my grip style or add functions like a phone stand without missing a beat. Plus, it still gives me that secure one-handed grip I rely on daily. What's great is the PopTop works with PopGrip, PopSlide, PopWallet Plus, and PopCase, making it a versatile upgrade. You only buy the top, not the sticky base, which saves money and reduces waste. If you're someone who likes to switch up your phone accessories to match your mood or outfit, this is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to make your phone grip as dynamic as you are.